Meaning of extended.
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 Extended. Extended means to make something longer in duration or larger in size or scope than it originally was. This term is often used to describe actions that exceed normal boundaries or expectations. For example, in the context of a warranty, an extended warranty would provide coverage beyond the standard warranty period. In the context of a road trip, taking an extended route would mean traveling for a longer duration or covering more distance than originally planned. Overall, extended implies stretching or expanding beyond what is typical or anticipated.